Hello fellas, so today in this video you're going to learn how to polish your shoes to a mirror finish. Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can receive the latest notifications of the new videos that are upcoming. Let's move forward. So what you will need is a cream polish. This is Shoe cream. This is Hue in German, and cream is of course cream, and this is brown colored because as you see that the both pair of shoes that I have here are of course brown in color. And then I have this nice brush. So let's move forward. So I'll take the first shoe, put it in my hand, and basically there are two portions of the shoe. One is this black portion is the sole, and then we have the brown portion, which is the leather part. So what you want to do is that first just use the brush to rub off the extra dirt on it. Okay, once that's gone, then you need to apply a little bit of the cream. Let's do like this in very small portions. Like this. And then use the brush to rub it in slow circular motion. Try to reach the crevices of the sole and the upper part, and try to spread out the polish everywhere. Okay, from the back side and from the front side it seems that it's nice and spread out. And now the important part is that you have to keep on rubbing till you get a mirror-like shine. Keep on doing that as fast as possible. Don't stop. You'll start to see a clear difference. You see that? Okay, so now what you see is a quite shiny looking shoe, and when you compare this to this, there is of course a clear difference, but that's not what we are looking for. We are going to go a step forward. So what you need is a cotton cloth. It needs to be a soft cloth because that's what's going to make a difference. You take the cloth, take your shoes again, and start doing circular motions slowly. That will give a mirror-like finish to your shoes. Once you have done that, you will get a mirror-like finish to your shoes. Okay, but that's not pretty much it. I go one step further and I want to polish the lower portion of the sole. I mean just the sole with a black polish, and you could use any polish, but I have this cream polish. It's fast and very effective. What I do is I get this cream polish on the base only, so that the black purely distinguishes from the brown part and still has a mirror finish to it. Okay, this looks really good compared to the other shoes. You see, this one is mirror-like compared to this one, that one, and that one. I'll just polish the other three as well and then get back again. So guys, I'm back after polishing off the record both the pairs of shoes, and you can quite well see that there is a mirror finish to both the pairs. It's all because we added a couple more steps to what you would normally do in polishing your shoes. And I have a suggestion: if you're traveling with your pair of shoes, pair of shoes in your luggage, sometimes what happens is that the shoes get squeezed, and I did that a couple of times, and that's why there are these marks, and they don't look that nice. So what you would want to do is you can get these kind of things from your shoe retailer, and during your travel put that inside of your shoes. That will prevent them from squishing on this side. So guys, the best thing that a man can have is a really nice pair of shoes. And polish your own shoes, guys. I would also recommend that polish your father's shoes. That will take you to a different level in life. That will make you down to earth. These are my father's shoes, and I would love to polish them again and again. Guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon if you want to receive notifications of newer uploaded videos. And as always, thumbs up.